Hi there, Andrew Perkins with Keller Williams Select Realty. I wanted to introduce you today to my newest listing at 12 Mandaville Drive in Upper Sackville. The current owners have been living in this house for 10 years. They've done significant upgrades to the home. They put on a new roof 3 years ago, new windows throughout. They've completely renovated the kitchens and bathrooms. The rec room has been redone. They've added a new bathroom. This home is move-in ready. It's great for the first-time home buyer or someone looking to downsize. So come on in and enjoy the tour. That concludes our tour today. If you would like more information on this beautiful listing, please give me a call, 902-488-0012. Thanks for watching and have a great day.